setup for checking this thrust probe. Okay, connected there to our extension cable, and then connected here in our proximity, and here is our meter. Okay guys, today guys we are going to check the thrust probe. Okay, now already set here. Now to check this one, you increase by 0.1 100. So we are going to check this thrust probe. Now we will simulate from the field. Now we will start from 100 micron. Okay, you can start 100 micron, then 200, 300, 400. Okay.
Okay, 100.
Okay, go 200. Go to 300. How much there?
Now 400.
Okay, go to 0. Okay, negative 100. Negative 200. Negative 300. Okay, make it 0 now. So it means guys we have problem here. You see this guys? We have error reading. Okay? Removing this. And we have put this giving wrong indication. So we adjust this gain dito. Okay? This one here. This one. Okay, now we will check it now. Final check. Okay, now we are going to make final test for this thrust. Okay, so can you make 100 normal? Okay, make it 200. Okay, make it 300. Okay, make it 400. Okay, make it 500. Okay, can you make 0 now? 0. Okay, now counter 100. Counter 200. Counter 300. Now counter 400. Counter 500. Okay, now return to 0, 0, 0. Okay, now it's already 0. Okay, thank you. Our job finished. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Where's your? Okay.